Hey, Tyler, let me see you jump in there. Good jumping.
It's on again.
Yeah, you want to play it? Is that a monkey dance? Everybody do the monkey dance.
Hey, Mommy, I'm silly.
Yes, you're very silly. So what's next?
It's on.
Again?
Mhm.
Can you play it again?
Mommy, I just want to get some of these clementines.
More clementines?
Uh-huh. You might have a snack.
All right. That's a nice healthy snack.
Yay!